Hi, I'm Tina Gonzalez and this is my partner Tim Webb. We are the TNT team at Island Homes for You. We have the good fortune to introduce you to this truly unique executive home here in North Nanaimo, looking for its distinctive buyer. Welcome to 6608 Golden Eagle Way.
This one-of-a-kind ocean view home in one of the most desired areas of central Vancouver Island is just waiting for its astute new owners for what this home can provide them. Found at the very end of a cul-de-sac, you will not be bothered by unwanted traffic or strangers in the north end of Nanaimo, close to all amenities and conveniences you may want. The well-manicured property is low maintenance with beautiful mature plants and large hedges for your privacy. Walking up to the home, you can see that it was built as a custom home for this particular location and lot. Opening the front door is when you will truly understand what we are excited to share with you. When you walk in, you're greeted by an oversized entry that there is never any crowding for your guests. To the left is the overheight garage, built not only for your cars, but also for lots of storage. To the right is the perfectly located den, facing out to the front walkway to allow you to view anyone walking up to the home for either business or pleasure. As you continue in on this main level, main floor living, you will pass the washroom on your right and the primary bedroom on your left. Then you will arrive to the stunning, open concept, expansive kitchen and living room with your ocean views. This space is so large, you might just be waiting for a baseball game to break out. Bathed in natural light, you'll find the generous kitchen with the oversized, double-sided island made for conversations. And the living room with gas fireplace, private from outside prying eyes, but still taking advantage of the ocean views with its walls of windows and giving you access to the sizable southwest facing deck. Going back to the primary bedroom on this floor, you will not find many more spacious than this, while also having that grand custom ensuite. Ample walk-in closet and doors outside to that amazing deck. Making your way downstairs at the landing, you're presented with options. Going straight leads to your laundry room that hosts the home's utilities and could be used as a hobby room, a wine cellar, or lots of extra storage. Turning right takes you into the large bachelor suite, waiting for that family or possible income-producing tenant. Turning left at the bottom of the stairs takes you into the large one-bedroom suite. The potential of this space, from supporting family members with added independence or a whole extra income, or a combination of the both, leaves you more options than most. This home really is a must-see. If you've been searching for that unique and special place that just hasn't presented itself yet, you have to come view this home.
On behalf of Tim and myself, thank you for watching this video. To view the home, please reach out to your realtor or contact Tim or myself at the numbers below.
Thank you.